Hi, you're watching Patadendron, and in today's video, I'm showing you my entire Alocasia collection. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, hi, welcome, I'm Patrick, and I love plants, and if you do too, you should definitely hit subscribe. I love going on planty adventures and taking you along with, so if that sounds like fun, then you should definitely consider hitting subscribe. In today's video, I'm excited to show you my Alocasia collection. Now, it's not a big collection, but alocasias are something that I've been feeling lately, and that's all thanks to one plant. Hint, it's an alocasia. A lot of my alocasias are new. Some of them I've had for a while, and some of them are struggling. But this is my collection. I wanted to just show you all of my alocasias as we close the year. So let's get to the video. The first alocasia that I want to show you is one of my newer alocasias, but I think it's so cool. And this is the Alocasia Pink Dragon. What I love about this is I love the pink petioles. It's basically like what I'm getting so far. I haven't had this for a long time, and I'm hoping I get to see this mature, but what I'm getting is that it's like almost like an Alocasia Polly but with pink stems, and I love that. I am really excited that this is becoming a little bit more common in the houseplant scene for Southern California, at least. I've been seeing a lot of nurseries carry this, which is really cool. So if you ever see an Alocasia Pink Dragon for a really good price, I got this one for $14.99 at Plant Depot, and I thought the price was right, so can't wait to see how this one grows. Yeah, as I was saying, if you ever see it for a good price and you love Alocasia Pollys, then you should try picking one up and see how that one grows for you. The next plant that I want to show you is my Allocation Maharani, and it's in this cute heart-shaped, heart-shaped terracotta planter. I thought that this little kind of bowl-like pot would be perfect for the Maharani because it's a jewel orchid, or it's a jewel alocasia, and jewel alocasias have shallower root systems, so it doesn't go as deep into the pot, and I thought this would be perfect. And you know, I have multiple plants in that one little clump, so I'm hoping to have a Allocation Maharani colony, and I'm hoping this bigger pot encourages a larger Maharani leaf. I just love seeing Maharanis with big leaves, and if you've never felt one before, they're really cool because their leaves almost form like this hard shell-like feel when it matures and hardens, and I think that's so cool. So it's kind of like rhino skin, and when it's nice and big and like hard like that, I think that's just like super impressive, and I love it. So I'm hoping that this gets there someday. The next alocasia is my Allocation Polly. And this poor thing has just been meh. It might be time to repot it, and hoping that giving it a bigger pot would encourage more leaves, bigger leaves. Hey, I would take more leaves. I don't want to be too picky. I don't want to give it that much pressure. Just give me more leaves. The next alocasia that I want to show you is this Alocasia Dragon Tooth, and it's so cute. It's tiny for now, but I've seen these grow pretty big on Instagram. I even saw, I think it was William Rodolante hosted one of these, but it was like two-headed. I thought that was super cool. Ever since I saw that, I wanted this. This is the Alocasia Dragon Tooth. It's got these really cool paper-like dark leaves, and it's just a really neat looking alocasia. The next alocasia that I want to show you is this Alocasia Silver Dragon. I got this with the Alocasia Dragon Tooth, but it's also a jewel alocasia, kind of like my Maharani, and I love it. I can't believe I waited so long, or I was able to wait so long to get it, but I'm glad I did because I got this at such a good price. I got this for $30 at Rosales. It's one of my favorite local nurseries, and it's just super beautiful. I love the light bluish silvery green, and I love, you know, jewel alocasias, so I love this plant. The next alocasia that I want to show you is another alocasia that's struggling. It is navigating the struggle bus along with my Polly. So this is my Alocasia Frydeck. I just repotted this. It was in it was also in a 4-inch pot for the longest time, and I think it's time. It's grown a like tremendous amount of roots while being in my grow tent, but there's its one leaf. I think it's beautiful. But here's one exciting thing. There is a little baby growing right there. I don't know if you can see, but something's happening there, and I hope this fills out, but again, no pressure. Just keep doing you. And hopefully we'll see it look better next year. The last alocasia that I want to show you is my favorite alocasia, and this is the alocasia that's made me love alocasias. It's the Alocasia Black Velvet. I put this in my grow tent thinking, ooh, I want to be extra. I want to give it the best light, the best humidity, and it'll give me the best leaves. So I put it in my grow tent, even though it was growing just fine outside my east-facing window. And I burnt all of the existing kind of baby leaves off. So I thought, oh my gosh, I did it. I killed it. And its root system was also kind of shot. But I kind of just plopped it back in, and it regrew some roots. And it also popped out a baby and a new leaf. So it's been busy, but I am loving this. Look at this leaf. This also kind of has that hard Maharani shell-like feel that I love. And it's just so big. Look at this Kaylee Ellen head test. I think it's so beautiful, and I can't wait for this to bounce back. This is my Alocasia Black Velvet, and I love it so. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me as I showed you my entire Alocasia collection. And I know it's gonna grow in the year of 2022, so we shall see what alocasias catch my eye then. But in the meantime, I will be taking care of these and keeping you updated on how that goes. I had a lot of fun, and I hope you did too. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Please throw me a bone and give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my plant videos, come plant shopping with me. Hit that subscribe button. I can't wait to see you in the next video. I just don't want to miss you too much. So if you could show me some love in the comments, and I'll meet you there. Bye!